What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. All right, you guys, I'm outside Dollar Tree. This is the Doll relocation. Let's head in and see what's new for the week. Hey,
I know you.
How are you doing? Haven't seen you in years. I just ran into a friend from almost 20 years ago. I used to sell for her on eBay back in my early eBay days, like 18 years ago, you guys, and I haven't seen her for so many years. I am super happy, and oh my gosh, you guys, look what we have. Look what we have. We got to go look at the new Christmas stuff. My store is stacked high with Halloween stuff, and then we have all the ghosts. This location has definitely changed since I was in here a couple weeks ago. Looks like some of the Halloween stickers are new. It's always so nice when you run into an old friend, isn't it? And you see that they're doing well and you're doing well. I told her about the Bunny Birdy Gator auctions. She also loves to resell, so hopefully she'll come by. She has a lot of vintage items. Hopefully she'll come by and check out one of the auctions. Christmas decor for $125. Here is a look at the ornaments. Every year we have a few returns and also a few new ornaments like these. These are definitely new. We have the snowmen. These ones are so cute, the little gifts. I think these are new this year. The bells. And you get 2 in a pack. Oh, these ones are pretty. Two pine cones in a pack. These ones are new this year. And you just get 1 in a pack. I think this one is new also. This one here is new. This one might be new. I think this one is new this year. I like these little cute sweater ones. The ornaments. I always thought this one was pretty. And this one too. Ooh, and this one, just because I love pearls. We also have the green trees, the red trees. What are you most excited for right now? Are you guys most excited for Christmas? Or are you most excited for Halloween? Or are you excited for Halloween and Christmas? Because I'm definitely excited for both. I'm really looking forward to the coziness of Halloween. Also, it's gonna be a little bittersweet because this is gonna be our last Halloween here in Minnesota. Oh, this is so cute. And I know once we move to Las Vegas, Halloween will have a totally different vibe. So I'm already feeling a little sad that it's gonna be our last Halloween here, just because, you know, small town Halloweens are just really nice and you don't really have a lot to worry about. And I know Halloween in bigger cities is a totally different story. These are little foam sheets. The angels, the gingerbread men, the snowflakes. And these are the felt trees. These aren't foam. These are also felt. These are felt, and these are foam. Look at all the candy. Up to the ceiling with candy. I wonder if we have any new candy. Krabby Patties, cotton candy, spiderweb cotton candy from Charms, the little Sour Patch Kid zombies. I think those came out last year. I got some for my kids last year. The little Nerds, the Nerd candy corns. I miss the days of the little tiny packs of Nerds. They had some in, I think it was Aldi. I have tape on my shoe. They had some in Aldi, but it was like 3 something for like 20 in a bag. I didn't really think the price was that great. These are definitely Dollar Tree Plus items. We have our Breast Cancer Awareness Month end cap here, super pink and pretty. I love the little pens. Aw, these are so cute. And our bags, our towels.
How are you today?
Hi, honey. I'm not gonna knock anything over today.
That's okay, because they've actually been brewing and selling better since we moved them.
Oh, good. Good. She remembers the day I knocked down Bubba and Forrest. That's what I was calling that display. Bubba and Forrest. These are so cute, aren't they, you guys? I love the pinks. We have pink, purple, we have red, we have different greens. Cute little bottle brush trees. We also have gold and blue and silver. Ooh, look at the blue. It looks very Grinchy. And I don't know what's going on with this one because it doesn't really look like it has a top. But I like the color. We have Gnome for the holidays. I'll be Gnome for Christmas. There's no place like Gnome for the holidays. Gnome for the holidays. I like this one a lot. Gnome, sweet Gnome. Aw. I like his glittery beard. Hey, what are these?
You want one?
Sure, what are they?
Scoop.
Ooh, I'll take the blue one.
The vendor guy gave it to me.
Aw, thanks. Slime.
Yeah.
Thanks. Appreciate it. I'll open it at home. Have it to look forward to. Thank you so much.
You checked the Christmas over there?
Not yet. Down the plus aisle.
Nope, ready.
Oh, this. Not yet. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. Yeah, you guys, we have more Christmas to look at.
There's
more Christmas.
Christmas signs right there.
Oh yeah. Those are the, oh, this one's so cute. Look, you guys. Merry Christmas. And this one's $5. And then we also have Home Sweet Home and Let's Be Merry. And then I showed you guys these ones already. But I really like this one because it kind of looks like, I don't know, it kind of looks like chalkboard, like a little chalkboard style. Okay, you guys, we have to end this video right here, but I'm gonna start a brand new video. We're gonna look at even more cute items, and I might do some Dollar Tree Plus filming as well. This one is so cute. This one is definitely my favorite, with the cute little pom-poms, the way that their eyes are covered, their little glittery beards. So cute. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. We are almost at 68K. By the time this video goes up, we might have already hit 68K. I hope we have, but I don't know. As of today, we're just a tiny bit away. I'm gonna start right here in the very next video, right here at this super neat brand new display that I just walked past. Everything is really nice, and I'm seeing lots of new ornaments. So make sure you guys come back to the very next video. But all right, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.